Welcome back to StoryStep English. Hello, Blaze. You look very quiet today. Are you okay?
Hi, Jenny. Hi, everyone. To be honest, no, I am not okay today. I feel very tired.
I am sorry to hear that. You usually have a lot of energy. Do you want to talk about it?
I had a very bad day. I made a big mistake at work today. My boss was not happy. I feel like I'm not good enough. I tried very hard, but I still failed.
Thank you for sharing that, Blaze. It is okay to feel sad. We all have bad days. Everyone makes mistakes.
But it hurts, Jenny. It feels very heavy in my heart. Why do we have to feel this pain? Why is life so hard sometimes? I just want everything to be easy.
I understand. Nobody likes to feel pain. But Blaze, that is a very important question. I read a beautiful quote once. It said, "People grow from pain."
Grow from pain? How can pain be a good thing? Pain just makes me want to stop trying. It makes me want to give up. What if I make another mistake tomorrow? I'm afraid to go back to the office. I do not want my boss to look at me like that again.
Fear is normal, Blaze. Giving up is easy, but staying and trying again is brave. If you run away from the pain, you will stay in the same place. You will not learn anything new. Think about a tree.
A tree?
Yes, when the weather is always sunny and perfect, the tree is happy, but it does not grow very strong roots.
What happens when the storm comes?
When the strong wind blows, the tree shakes. It feels the pain. It might lose some leaves or small branches, but because of the wind, the tree must push its roots deeper into the dark ground to survive.
But nobody sees the roots, Jenny. They're under the ground. It is dark and lonely down there.
That is very true. Growth often happens in the dark. When we are alone with our sadness and our mistakes, that is when we do the hard work. We think, we learn, we change. People only see the beautiful leaves on the outside, but they do not see the deep roots on the inside.
So the storm makes the tree stronger?
Yes, the hard times make the roots deep and strong. Human beings are like that tree, Blaze. We do not grow when everything is easy and comfortable. We grow when we face difficult things. We grow from our pain.
So my mistake today is my storm?
Exactly. Today was a very big storm for you. It broke some of your branches. It hurt your pride. But tomorrow you will wake up. You will know what not to do. You will be a little bit smarter and a little bit stronger.
I never thought about it like that. I just thought I was a failure.
You are not a failure, Blaze. You are just growing your roots. Let us talk about your storm today, Blaze. What happened at work?
I sent the wrong email to a very important client. My boss was angry because it looked very bad for our company. I felt so stupid.
I see. That is a painful mistake. But what did you learn from this pain?
I learned that I was working too fast. I was rushing. I wanted to finish early, so I did not check my work before I clicked send.
Good. Now, what will you do differently tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will read my emails 2 times, maybe 3 times. I will take my time. I will not rush. I will double-check everything.
Do you see what is happening right now, Blaze?
What do you mean?
You are growing your roots. You found the lesson in your pain. Because of this mistake today, you will become a better worker tomorrow. You will be more careful.
That is true. If I never made this mistake, I would always work too fast. I would always rush, and maybe I would make a bigger mistake later.
Exactly. The pain from today is teaching you how to protect your future. There is a saying in English, "A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor."
A smooth sea? A sailor?
Yes, It means if the ocean is always calm and easy, the sailor never learns how to drive the boat in a bad storm. We need storms to become strong. We need challenges to build our skills.
So I should be happy that I made a mistake?
You do not have to be happy about the mistake. You are allowed to be sad or angry, but you should be proud that you are learning from it. You are not running away. You are facing the storm.
Thank you, Jeny. I feel a little better now. The pain is still there, but it does not feel so heavy in my heart. It feels like a lesson.
You are very welcome, Blaze. Remember, a mistake is only a failure if you do not learn from it. If you learn something, it is a step forward.
A step forward. I like that. I'm ready to go back to the office tomorrow. But wait, Jeny, what if my boss is still angry tomorrow morning?
He might be angry. That is his right. But you cannot control his feelings. You can only control your actions.
So what should my actions be? Should I buy him a coffee or maybe a big box of donuts?
Donuts are delicious, but they do not fix mistakes. You need to show him your roots, Blaze. You need to take responsibility.
Take responsibility? That sounds very hard.
It is hard. It takes courage. Tomorrow, you go to your boss. You say, I am sorry for the mistake yesterday. I was rushing.
And then he will shout at me again?
Maybe, but then you say the most important part. You say, from now on, I will double-check every email. I have a new plan. I will not let this happen again.
I have a new plan. I will not let this happen again. Wow, that sounds very professional.
Yes, bosses respect people who own their mistakes and try to fix them. They do not respect people who make excuses or hide.
I understand. No excuses, just solutions. I will face the storm tomorrow morning. I will show him I am a skilled sailor.
I am very proud of you, Blaze. We hope this episode helps anyone who is having a bad day today. Remember, your mistakes do not define who you are. They are just storms helping you grow your deep roots.
Yes, do not be afraid of the storm. And please, do not hit your head with a heavy dictionary. It does not make you smart, it just hurts your head.
That is very good advice, Blaze. You only need your brain to think, not to hit things.
Exactly. And remember, tomorrow is always a new day to try again and do better.
That is a wonderful way to look at it. What about you, listeners? Have you ever made a big mistake at work or in your life?
How did you fix it? What lesson did you learn from your pain? Or did you just buy a big box of donuts for your boss?
We would love to hear from you. Tell us your stories in the comments below. We want to read them and learn from your strong roots, too. Reading your stories also helps other people feel less alone.
We are all in this together. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor.
Beautifully said, Blaze. If this video helped you feel a little better today, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And share this video with a friend who is having a hard time. Maybe it can help them smile. See you next time on StoryStep English.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay strong, face your storms, and keep growing.
Bye. I'm going to the bakery now. I need to buy those donuts.
Wait, Blaze, I thought you said no donuts for the boss, just solutions.
You are right, Jeny. Solutions for my boss, but the donuts are for me. I need some sugar for my deep roots. Growing is very hungry work.
Oh, Blaze, I should have known. Buy a chocolate donut for me too, please.
Only if you pay for it. Goodbye, everyone.